going to start a new block about insects. What is the topic now? We have learned about animals, we have learned about the birds, and next now we are going to learn about insects. Do you know insects? Yes, how they look like? Can anyone? Yes. They are very big or very small? Yes. Here the insects are very small and some insects are very shiny. Some insects can fly. Some insects can creep. Some insects can claw. Claw means pakada. Slowly they will move like this. Pakada in Telugu. Okay? What we call them? Creep, claw, fly, even some walk. So insects are big or small? Very small than all the other animals or birds. Okay? Now we are discussing today about some common insects. Now all members open your S1 in your volume and we can discuss what we should do there. Okay? Now open your volumes all members.
Yes, children, did you open page number 35? See here, first one, circle the pictures of insects. You have given some pictures here. By seeing them, can you find which is the insect here? Yes, circle only the insects and write all the names. Even it is the animal also, write the name down. Try to do your own. First one is, what type of animal it is? Insects or animal? And what is its name? You have given some block down. One box is there, write their names. Okay? Did you complete? Yes. Now tell me, which is the insect among them? Cheetah is the insect? No. Second one? Yes. What is that? Ladybird. It is an insect. Very good. Next one is, I think, butterfly. Yes. This one also insect. Dog is an insect? No. Grasshopper is an insect? Yes. So circle the insects. Okay. Now see here, I am reading the second question. Can you find the answer? I am not a lady. I am not a bird. But I have dots of around. I am a. Tell me that is not a lady. But it has some dots on its body. But it is not a bird. Can you tell what is the answer? Yes, it is the ladybird. Very good. Now see the second one. We go marching one by one. We are red. We are black. We go marching one by one. We are the. They do marching, it seems. Marching means march first. You know how to do march first? Yes, but they will go like that. Like marching. Okay? Can you find which is that insect? There are some insects are black in color, some are red in color. Yes, good. They are ants. Ants are the insects. They look red in color and some are black in color and they go one by one. So B1 is ant. Now see the C. I flutter, flutter, flutter. I have nothing to do with butter. Colorful and bright. I am the. Flutter means moving the wings and it is very colorful. Which insects will fly? Yes, butterfly. Very good. Butterfly will flutter with the wings. So, C is butterfly. Now see the D1. Grass is green and so I am green. I hope with strong legs of mine. I am a. Can you tell what is that? Green in color. Hope means you have the rhyme. Yes, grasshopper, hope, H-O-P, grasshopper. So D1 is the grasshopper. Now tell me, what are the answers we have got here? First one is the ladybird, number B is the ant, number C is the butterfly and D is the grasshopper. So all these are the insects. Yes or no children? Yes. Now come to the class.
Yes. Did you see the volume? Did you get the answers? Is it easy? Can you find the insects now? Yes. Now tell me some common insects firstly. Yes. Ant, cheetah, dog. Very good. What are the birds do you have find there? Do you say any birds there? Yes. So now you have got an idea about animals, birds and insects. Yes or no? Now what is the difference between the animals and the birds, animals and the insects? Animals are very big. Insects are very small than the other animals. Yes or no? The other picture shows the animals and birds, they are very big in size, but the insects are very small in size. Okay, where we can find these insects? We can find the insects in the park, gardens, on the plants, in our house, in the school. Anywhere we can see the ants, sometimes in park, grasshoppers, butterflies. In house we can see ants, sometimes honeybees, somewhere places. So we can see all these insects in these places. And some insects like bee means honeybee, and ants can be harmful to us. Yes or no? Some insects are harmful. When they bite or when they sting us, we will get pain, we get harm. Yes or no? Some insects like butterflies are harmless. Do they harm us? Butterflies? No. And now tell me, when is an insect called a pest? Do you know pest? P-E-S-T. Pesticides. In TV we can see the ads. Pesticides. The fields were spoiled by the pest. They used to say in TV ads. Yes? What is meant by pest here? Give any example, do you know? Think once. Yeah. Pest means nothing but, see here, when an insect harms us, when an insect do harm to us, it is called pest. Nothing but it is a pest. Okay. For example, mainly we can see Telugu what we say means sorry. We can see that insect in the wood, chedalu. Yes, if we have wooden work in our home, that will get quickly spoiled. Chadaru, we will say in Telugu. In English, we say them as a termite. Termite. Mainly, we can find this in the wood. Okay, it will attack and eat the wood. Okay, and it spoil the wood. So it is a pest. So it is an example of the pest. Okay, children. And you have one more question in your volume. Complete the third one. Okay, children. Now open your textbooks first.
Children, did you open the textbook page number 94? All about insects. Keep finger. Common insects. Insects are very small in size. Some common insects that we see around us are, yeah, here you have so many examples of the insects. See here, housefly, butterfly, water beetle, dragonfly, cockroach, honeybee, ladybird and grasshopper. These are common insects. Insects are found everywhere. Where we can find? Everywhere. House, school, park, gardens, on the road, everywhere we can find the insects. So, this is the topic today, children. Complete the volume.